Hello everyone, this is Sharma from VD. So today is our new panel is that one. We are doing R&D on this model. This panel have the scanning line is there. Full have the scanning line. If we remove the strip any one side, the panel is not on and not working. So now I am going to inside to the panel. I see here so many moisture is there inside. The moisture is there. So we work like this. Fully punch on that area. And also we have punch. So now you see my panel is full okay, no scanning line in there inside. The picture is full okay. Okay, we have this model panel is there. That model panel have the some scanning line is coming, and also full have the scanning line is come. If I remove one side strip, then picture is not making. So all both of side are shorting is there. So after we are going to here inside of track there, I punch here 1 2 3 4 5. This place I have punch, and my panel will be okay, fully okay. You see, this one is full okay. So now ST panel ST4851 is also fully okay, and I have also doing this place and that place both side. Now you see here the completely done, no any scanning line is there, no one scanning is there. This model is completely repaired, fully repaired. See, no single scanning line is there. Done by VD.